information about balance system hyperfunction and sensory integration of the balance system. So today's topic is, as I said, is about VOR reflex. In this reflex, I will be discussing about the purpose of the VOR, the pathway, the clinical significance, symptoms, and then I'll be explaining a few examples. But before that, I just want to say what are the components of this VOR reflex pathway. Number one is your semicircular canal or otolith organs, and they have what? Hair cells. Number two is your eighth nerve, vestibulocochlear. Number three, your midbrain vestibular nucleus. Number four, your sixth and third nerve nucleus, and then number five, your extraocular muscles. Yeah, so they are your LR6, lateral rectus supplied by the sixth nerve, SO4, superior oblique supplied by the fourth nerve, trochlear, all other supplied by the oculomotor nerve. So these are the components of the pathway. Okay, so let's speak about the purpose of the VOR. The purpose of the VOR, the main purpose of this reflex is to stabilize the image of the seen world, or hold the image of the seen world on the fovea centralis, the center part of your eyes, when head is moved into a direction and there is a compensatory movement of your eyes opposite direction to the head is moved. So the whole purpose is, when head is moved, ensure the seen world picture is taken absolutely accurately and it is held steadily on your center part of the eyes for maximum visual acuity. That's the whole purpose of this reflex. Okay, so the purpose is discussed. Pathway. Now I'm just going to discuss with you pathway. So here I'm drawing pathway for the when head is moved to the right, so horizontal canal activation. Okay, so the when head is moved to the right, you can see when my head is moved to the right, there is a compensatory eye movements opposite side direction, head is moved. Your lateral rectus of the opposite side eye is activated and eyes are moved to the opposite side, and there is an inhibition of the medial rectus of the opposite eye, but there is activation of the medial rectus of the right side eye, and there is inhibition of the right side lateral rectus muscle. So sixth nerve on the both sides horizontally, and then the medially there is a the oculomotor nerve, the third nerve. Sixth and third nerve we will be talking about when my head is moved